Namaste students, I am JVN Dr. Aziz Mohammed Khan from Department of Food and Biotechnology, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to discuss about the topic application of enzymes in food industry. We know that enzymes are biological catalysts and they are used for the increasing the rate of the reactions. Different kinds of rate of reactions are increased, and some biological compounds and some organism contain some specific kinds of enzymes which are necessary for the production of different kinds of food products. These are microbial products mainly, and these products are used for the conversion of one specific set of reaction, and an enzyme converts a specific set of reactant into a specific product. So enzymes are in industrial production of various food production for the characterization and purpose of the different kinds of production of food products. So, for the purpose of using enzymes in the use, food modification are conducted by enzymes. They are used in the improving the nutrition quality. They are used for the availability of the food products. They are used for the extraction of compounds. For the brewing industry, they are used in the size reduction of the food products. They are used the size reduction of food products. Same they are using the size reduction of the reaction. They reduce the reaction time. For the filtration, they are used, and they are used in the fragmentation of the food compounds of various food to each enhancing the color, texture, and appearance. So these color, texture, and appearance are increased by the enzymes. Similarly, enzymes are used in the duff conditioning, chill proofing of beer, for the flavor development and meat tenderizing. These are the some general applications of enzymes. And what are the significance of enzyme in food industry? They are used in the high production of high quality products. They are used in the low production cost because they increase the rate of the reaction so that the reaction takes less time, and they are used in the production of more products with low wastage, and minimum energy consumption is conducted by the enzymes, and biodegradability of some products is increased due to enzymes. What are the desired technical effects of enzymes? Those temperature, time, moisture, and pH are the desired technical effects which are required for the production of some desired products by enzymes. These are the sources of different kinds of food enzymes, such as from plants we can isolate alpha amylase, beta glucanase. From animals, trypsin, chymotrypsin, pepsin, tannin, catalase. From the microorganism, alpha amylase, beta amylase, glucose isomerase, pullonase, cellulase, invertase, microbial lipase, catalase, lactase. So these are the sources. Means directly we can say that plants are isolated from the natural sources such as plants, animals, and microorganisms. Uh, so these are the classified microorganisms. These are the classified enzymes which are required in the food industry, including oxidoreductase, which catalyze oxidation and reduction of the reactions, and transferase, which catalyze the transfer of some groups including phosphatase, amine, methyl hydrolase, which catalyze the hydrolysis of reaction and break bonds with the help of water. Hydro means lysis of water, and lysis which catalyze the cleavage of CC, CO, CS, and CN bonds. Carbon nitrogen bonds are cleaved by the enzymes, and isomerases which catalyze the atomic rearrangement with a molecule, means are they convert a molecule into similar form. Only atomic arrangement is made by the enzymes, and ligases are are the enzymes which catalyze the joining of two molecules. Now, application of enzymes in baking industry. So, in the baking industry, different kinds of bakery products are produced by the use of the enzymes, which increase and enzymes increase in their appearance, freshness, taste, flavor, color, and are there are different kinds of criteria which can be increased by the use of the enzymes. In baking industry, enzymes are used in the duff handling, controlling of our crumb texture, taste, color, moisture, volume of bakery products such as biscuit, crackers, cookies, wafers, bread duff. So this is the application in the food industry, and the enzymes which are involved in this bakery industry: alpha amylase, beta amylase, proteases, hemicellulase, and lipoxygenase. These are the examples. Now, in dairy industry, uh, milk, as we know that milk is the chief ingredient in the dairy industry, and milk is used in the production of different kinds of products such as yogurt, buttermilk, cheese, and the enzymes such as protease, lipase, lactase are used to develop flavor in the compounds, and renin is also used in the coagulant. Lactose-free dairy products are also found, including in the milk, ice cream, yogurt, cheese, digested sugar, glucose, galactose. In the brewing industry, many enzymes are used for the production of wine, beer, soy sauce, so fermentation process, and the enzymes which are involved in the brewing industry include the cellulose, hemicellulose, amylase, glucanase, lipase, decarboxylase, and they are used in the liquefaction, clarification, and to supplementation of malt enzymes. In the meat industry, protease enzymes such as papain, bromelain, and lysine are used to tenderize milk, and these enzymes soften muscles. So, due to the softness of the muscles get softened, and due to the softening it is very tasty and can be used for the consumers, and they are used in the low amount of to prevent liquefaction of muscle, and transgluconase is the example which is used to induce the gelation of the meat products. Now, in the production of fructose syrup, corn syrup production is the example of fructose syrup production enzyme in which hydrolysis enzymes are used for the production of corn syrup, and a mixture of alpha amylase, amylose, and amylopectin are also used for the conversion of starch into glucose syrup. Similarly, beta amylase and glutenase are also used to produce maltose syrup. Beverage industry, in the beverage industry, different kinds of juices are produced by the use of the enzymes, including pectinase and amylase. Uh, they increase the juice production. In the wine industry, they are used in the production of pectinates, and which lead to the ripening, harvesting, fermentation, and clarification. So, it make a easiness in the wine production because these enzymes cause fermentation process. It increases the fermentation process. Similarly, they are used in the production of some coffee and tea compounds. They are also used in the tea industry and coffee industry, and the skin and fibrous pulp are removed, and then enzymes are mixed with the pulped beans. These enzymes are used for the liquefaction of the mucilage of the coffee and cherry. In this process, microbial enzymes such as cellulase, hemicellulase, macronase are used. Similarly, in the tea industry, enzymes such as cellulase, glucanase, pectinase are used to break down the cell wall. So when the cell wall of these coffee and tea industry are removed, they can be used for the production of coffee and tea. So our lecture is over here. In this video, we discussed about application of enzymes in food industry. So in the next video, we will discuss another video. Thank you very much.